going to be southbound on Division, southbound on Division.
Stop! Stop! Too slow, man! Stop! Too slow! Stop! Down the ground! Down the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Hands behind your back!
Too slow, my man.
One's running right there, right there, right there!
Northbound, northbound, go for it.
Northbound!
You guys good here?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah. Get up, dude.
You put my mask off with me?
6030 will be off with the mark units. Cover it.
6030 always marked yet. 16.
There's gonna be a black male white sweatshirt that was running north on Division. We have the driver in custody.
5-4, we got the black male white sweatshirt in custody. Alright, 5-4, I got a email that ran from the vehicle detained. Taking her back to my car.
Couldn't get away, could you?
5-9, that was
Try, didn't you? Welcome to the state police.
The black male with the white sweatshirt in custody. Are there still two that large?
one with a green sweatshirt still large.
And I was a black male, green sweatshirt.
Central 6110. Can we have somebody go back to the vehicle that was struck at 28th Street, I believe?
615 and we'll head that way.
That was 28th Street where the vehicle was struck.
Please, we got a 10 on 33rd. The perimeter of the south.
Get in. Hold you?
Can you take my mask all the way off? Please?
Okay, from 6, nobody got to riser, and nobody got south of 33rd. We should have detained here. We get some people on 33rd.
Here you go.
Then riser.
Can we put him in your car? We got somebody in our car.
K9 en route.